Today at Battery Guys Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2014 Hyundai Sonata. Step 1, you will need a long extension with a 13mm socket to take off the battery bracket. It's also located right behind the battery itself. Reach down there with your hand and pull up that bolt. If you don't, you will lose it in the engine itself. The next step, you want to use your 10mm socket, and you want to disconnect your negative terminal, which is also known as your ground. The next step is taking off your positive terminal. There's another bolt right in the front of this battery that you also got to take off too. So we got to remove the airflow to actually be able to get the battery out of the vehicle itself. So what we're using now is a 10mm socket to take off those two bolts that is holding down this air intake here. You easily remove the battery out of the vehicle itself now. Today we're installing the world's best reconditioned battery back into this 2014 Hyundai Sonata. What we're doing now, we're basically going ahead and connect the positive back onto the battery post itself. Use your 10mm socket to tighten that up. And once you get that done, then you want to go ahead and tighten up your negative post back onto the battery itself. So your next step is you want to go ahead and tighten up that battery bracket. Just use your long extension with your 13mm socket and tighten that back down in there. Then your last step, you want to go and put that air intake, the airflow back onto this vehicle, to slide it back into that hole back there and line up your two holes on the front of the hood of itself. So you can go ahead and tighten those two bolts up. This is exactly how you install a battery in a 2014 Hyundai Sonata. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And we thank you for visiting Battery Guys with a Z.